Hi, it's Delaney, and today I am showing you how to make a bird trap out of a box. So, if you get bored at your house and it snowed outside, and you want to trap birds because you see them running around trying to get food because it's wet outside and they like worms. So, you ask your mom, "Mom, what can I do to get those birds?" And she says, "Well, you get a box and bird seed and a straw or a pencil and string, and you just make a little trap so you can catch the birds." So, you ask your mom, "Do we have any bird seed?" And she says, "No, we don't have any bird seed, but I can take you to the store and get it." So, you go to the store and you get wild bird seed. And then once you get home, you get your box, a good size for a small bird or how big your birds are that are outside. And you make the straw to where you can have it slanted. There's enough room for the bird to get in there. And then whenever you pull the string, it'll just flop down. So you'll need it a perfect size. And then you'll need a long piece of yarn. This one is longer than me, even with it over my head. So that's what you will need. And you cut a slit in the straw to where you can put string in there and you can tie it around it. So you don't really need the box until the end. And you just put the string inside of the straw. And you make sure that it's down so you don't make it fly off like I've done multiple times. If you're wondering why I sound so bad, it's because I have an upper respiratory infection. Yeah, and you'll make a double knot. And then you wrap a longer piece around and then tie those. And it doesn't have to be a double knot for this. So it ties like that. And then you'll go outside and set your bird seed under it, and then get the trap ready like that, and then put the seed under it. And then you don't have to be outside for it because it's cold. And then you'll first cut some slack on it and then pull it. And then it'll trap the bird. So I'll show you what I mean. Let me just unplug my iPod. So first I have to scare off the birds that I've been trying to get trapped for a few hours now. Okay. Gosh, that was a lot of birds. So first, I had it set up two piles so that it was distracted with one over here, and then it would come to this one. So you just make a pile of it. it knotted up. Ooh, it's cold out here. And then you'll just put that over it and then set that up. I like to make mine straight so that it comes easily like that. That. And then cut some slack on it. Like that. Then you go inside, put the string down, shut the door, and it'll still pull like that. And then you pull. Then whenever the bird comes under it, you'll just pull it. So it does that. So that's how you make a bird trap. Thanks for watching.